My model Kelsey prefers soft, neutral palettes with versatility, and the Bon Voyage Des to Date Night color collection is the perfect palette for her. It's filled with neutral shades and a mixture of mattes and light shimmer. So let's start with her ideal desk look. So to start, on her eyes, I'm applying the shade POSTCARD from the Bon Voyage Shadow Quad to her entire lid with the eye base brush. Laying down a matte base shade first helps to create an even blend of shadows when layering. Next, SANDBAR is applied right on top with the dual fiber eye brush, really focusing color in her crease and lids for soft taupey depth. And now just taking this same shade under the eyes for that light shadowed effect with the crease shader brush. For natural brightness and a different tone altogether, Koi is added to her crease with the same brush. The shade KONA is such an amazing cool toned brown that adds great contrast to warmer neutral tones, and it's a really good go-to shade for shadow lining. So that's exactly what I'm doing here with the detail shader brush. An even coat of water-resistant mascara on her upper and lower lashes with the dual fiber lash liner, and this simple eye look is complete. Alright, so moving on to cheeks, just a light dusting of blush in SOLEIL with the fan highlighter brush adds the perfect amount of peachy warmth. And since her lips are naturally on the deeper side and pigmented, we thought it would be nice to keep them fresh, light, and glossy, so just a touch of gloss and slipper is applied with the precision lip brush. This look is simple, soft, and effortless, and makes for the perfect desk look any day of the week. For her date night look, we wanted to take her color up a notch without losing that natural and fresh feel that the desk look offers. So just small adjustments made here and there can really make a change in an overall makeup statement. So using the same Shadow Quad Bon Voyage, I'm now layering SANDBAR over the original crease and lid color with the dual fiber eye brush. This is the perfect mid-tone shade to use without getting too deep or going overboard with color. Next, with the same brush, just blending a little Koi above the crease to break those neutral hues up a little bit. And this also adds drama by slightly raising the color a little bit higher. So now a mixture of SANDBAR and Koi is applied to her lower lash line with the crease shader for the lightest amount of natural shimmer and a touch of peach. KONA is the shade that's really going to create that distinction between her desk and date night eye look. So I'm adding this shade to her outer corners and crease, making sure everything is seamlessly fused with the crease shader brush. Now if she wanted a deep brown smoky look, I would just take KONA all around her eyes, but since we're keeping everything pretty soft, KONA is lightly blended along her outer lower lash line for light depth. So now just going in for a quick cheek touch up with SOLEIL and the fan highlighter brush for bronzy flushed cheeks. And here, creating slightly more pigment to her lips by lining and filling with precision lip pencil and natural, and then just topping with a little bit of gloss and slipper for added sheen. Kelsey wanted to create subtle change from her soft desk look while still feeling like herself. With just the right amount of color added, she's now ready for a great night out.